Top 5 Best Truck Bed Bike Rack. Best products for your lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 5. Wildroad 60-inch folding hitch cargo carrier with bike rack, 500 pounds capacity for 2 receiver. This carrier doesn't just haul gear, it transforms your vehicle into a mobile adventure base. Built for weekend warriors, overlanders, and electric bike enthusiasts alike, the Wildroad hitch cargo carrier combines rugged utility with smart design. Its 60-inch by 24-inch steel basket supports up to 500 pounds, outclassing flimsy competitors, and folds flat when not in use. Unlike basic racks, it's engineered for standard, fat tire, and e-bikes, thanks to integrated wheel wells and secure tie-down points. The 2-inch receiver hitch ensures rock-solid stability, even on rough terrain. You'll love how effortlessly it handles bulky loads while keeping your bike safe and centered. Sure, it requires a Class 3 hitch and isn't ideal for compact cars, but for SUVs and trucks? It's a game-changer. Stop cramming gear inside, expand your capacity, protect your ride, and hit the road with confidence. Adventure demands space. Wildroad delivers. Number 4. Ford F-150 Cargo Bar with net and divider. Your pickup's bed just got a serious upgrade. Meet the cargo bar, engineered to transform chaos into control. Perfect for contractors, weekend warriors, and DIYers who demand order on the go, this heavy-duty bar expands from 40 to 70 inches with rock-solid precision, securing loads up to 200 pounds. Unlike flimsy dividers that buckle under pressure, this system includes a reinforced divider bar and a rugged cargo net organizer, creating customizable compartments that keep tools, gear, and groceries from shifting during transit. No more spilled supplies or damaged equipment, just peace of mind mile after mile. Installation takes seconds, no tools required. While it's built for standard truck beds, extremely curved or lined interiors may require minor adjustments. This isn't just storage, it's smart organization that works as hard as you do. Number 3. Thule HitchMount Pro Bike Rack for Ebike. Fits 2 electric/fat tire bikes, 2-inch receiver. This hitch mount bike rack doesn't just carry your e-bikes, it secures them with military-grade confidence. Built for adventurers, commuters, and weekend warriors alike, it effortlessly holds 2 electric or fat tire bikes up to 60 pounds each, thanks to its reinforced steel frame and anti-wobble design. Unlike flimsy racks that flex under load, this heavy-duty beast clamps into a 2-inch receiver with rock-solid stability, no rattling, no shifting, even on rough terrain. Integrated wheel straps and frame cradles protect your investment from scratches, while the tilt-away feature grants easy trunk access without removing the rack. Whether you're hauling a dual-suspension trail rig or a cargo e-bike loaded with gear, this rack delivers peace of mind mile after mile. Just note, it's built for 2-inch hitches only, so double-check your vehicle's receiver size. For serious riders who demand reliability, this isn't just a rack, it's your gateway to freedom. Number 2. INNO RT201 Truck Bed Bike Rack for Pickup. Your truck bed just became the ultimate bike transport command center. Meet the INNO RT201. Designed for weekend warriors, trail explorers, and daily commuters alike, this rack secures your bike without scratching paint or compromising cargo space. Unlike flimsy strap-on models that wobble and warp, the RT201 uses a rigid, clamp-free mount that grips your bike's fork securely, leaving the rest of your bed free for gear. Installation takes seconds, no tools, no hassle. The adjustable arms accommodate most standard frames, and the low-profile design won't block your rearview. Whether you're hauling one bike or prepping for a group ride, stability and speed are built in. Just note, it's optimized for traditional fork mounts, so fat tire or full suspension setups may need minor adjustments. For riders who demand reliability without the rigmarole, the INNO RT201 delivers peace of mind and more room for adventure. Number 1. Titan Ramps Adjustable Steel Bike Rack for 4 bikes. Hold on, your truck bed just became the ultimate bike hauler. The Titan Ramps Adjustable Steel Bike Rack secures up to 4 bikes with rock-solid stability, thanks to its heavy-duty steel frame and precision-fit clamps that adapt to nearly any truck bed, regardless of make or model. Unlike flimsy hitch racks or trunk mounts that scratch paint, this system anchors directly inside your bed, protecting both bikes and vehicle. Perfect for weekend warriors, mountain bikers, and family adventurers, it loads fast, rides quiet, and folds flat when not in use. You'll spend less time wrestling gear and more time hitting trails. While it's built for standard beds, extremely narrow or heavily modified setups might require minor adjustments, but for 95% of trucks, it's a seamless fit. Ditch the hassle. Elevate your ride. Thanks for watching Best Truck Bed Bike Rack. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.